Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this TeraPump electric fuel transfer pump. Now right now I have this in the upright position, and I'm going to go ahead and lay it down here on my table so we can take a closer look at the features that this pump has to offer. So let me go ahead and zoom in. This pump is going to let you transfer fuel from a 15, 30, or 55 gallon drum to your tractor, truck, and other equipment. So it's going to be perfect to keep in your garage, keep at your shop, have on hand for your yard equipment, keep it at your farm, or even at the dock. This pump is compatible with liquids such as gasoline, diesel, DEF, AdBlue, kerosene, water, antifreeze, windshield washer fluid, mild detergents, agricultural chemicals, and light oils. However, it is not compatible with hot water, concentrated acids, acetone, benzene, creosote, ethyl, drinking water, phenyl, methyl ethyl, concentrated caustic soda liquid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, or sulfuric acid. This telescoping intake tube is going to adjust to fit various drum heights, and the stainless steel endcap filter is going to keep debris out of the motor to prevent damage. Now this intake tube has a range from 21 3/4 inches long, as it is right now when it's fully collapsed. And if you loosen the nut here, you can fully extend it all the way out to 33 1/4 inches long. So again, you have a range from 21 3/4 inches to 33 1/4 inches, and the diameter is going to be 1 3/8 inches. Now this drum buttress adapter is going to be easy to grip, making it simple to tighten up or loosen, and it is adjustable, and it's going to fit various drum bung holes. So you should be able to have no problems getting a nice, tight, solid fit on the drum that you're going to be transferring fuel from. And the nozzle handle has a swivel nut here that's going to give you 360 degrees of rotation to prevent the hose from tangling. And I wanted to point out that this nozzle handle has what I call a lock here. So if you have a lot of liquid to transfer, you don't have to stand there keeping the handle depressed. What you can do is rotate this hook, and that's going to allow you to keep this handle depressed, and this can go ahead and transfer that fuel without you holding that handle down. Of course, you don't want to leave it unattended in case of spillage or it overflows. And then you can also adjust the rate of flow as well by rotating this hook, and then that'll turn it completely off there. So you can do it manually or automatically with that lock. And this has a flow rate of 4.2 gallons per minute. Now the electrical plug, it's going to plug in, that plug adapter is going to plug in right here to the back of the pump. And this is going to insert into your 110 volt wall outlet. So it does come with the adapter. And the power switch here, it has an LED indicator right there. And that's going to confirm when this unit is on or off. So it's going to be very simple to use when you're ready to transfer some fluid. You just flip the power switch on and squeeze the nozzle handle to control the rate of flow, and then release the handle and turn the power switch off to stop the flow. You probably already know this, but it is a good idea when you're done pumping to kind of lift your handle up and let that residue fluid go back down through the hose and back down the pump back into your drum, just so you don't have liquid staying in this hose. It's a good idea to kind of get that drained out after you're done using this. This 79-inch long rubber discharge hose consists of 4 layers, and it's oil, flame, and cold resistant. And the high-grade polyester construction is flexible, as you can see. And the built-in holster on the pump is going to store the discharge nozzle safely. So let me go ahead and just zoom out here real quick and just show you that just hook it on there to that holster, and so that's going to keep that nozzle out of the way when you are not using this. So that's a nice little feature that this pump has. Now the overall dimensions of this pump, when our intake tube is fully collapsed from top to bottom, we're sitting right at about 33 inches tall. And then just the head itself, the portion of the pump that's going to be sticking out of the drum, we're sitting at about 10 3/4 inches tall. And the overall width is about 3 3/8 inches wide. Again, you will receive the AC adapter to plug this pump into power, and instruction pamphlet here to go over the features of this pump and make sure and help you make sure that you are using this the way that it was designed. Well, that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.